Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this tutorial, I will show you how to knit this beautiful and very easy knitting stitch pattern. This is very elegant pattern, very beautiful. See, so of this you can use in all kinds of your interesting knits. See how the pattern looks like. I think it is very beautiful and very pretty pattern and ladies sweaters, gents sweater, baby's sweater, ladies cardigan and so on. This is our front side and this is our back side. Back side is all purl stitches and knit on knit stitches. This is very beautiful on both sides. See how beautiful looks. Yeah. So this is only 16 rows repeat pattern and you need to cast on multiples of 16 plus 1 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch. Multiple of 16 plus 1 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch. So friends, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and also give a thumbs up if you like my video. So let's start. So friends, for the sample, I cast on 16 stitches plus 1 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch on my needle. So we start to knit. This is our right side. We knit edge stitch and we knit 2, 1, 2, we knit 2 and purl 3, 1, 2 and 3, purl 3 and knit 7. We knit 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We knit 7 and again purl 3, 1, 2, 3, we purl 3 and knit 1. Knit 1. This is our repeat pattern. This is our repeat pattern. I have only one repeat here. You may repeat it according to your stitches you have. And for remaining 2 stitches, this one is extra stitch and we knit and this is our edge stitch. Now I complete row 1. Now we knit row 2. Row 2 we knit according to our pattern. So we start knitting, slip 1 and purl 2, 1, 2 and we knit 3, 1, 2, 3 and purl 7, purl 7 and again knit 3, and purl 2. For edge stitch. Row 2 is complete. Now we knit row 3. So row 3 we slip edge stitch, we knit 1, and yarn over and SSK. And now purl 3, 1, 2, 3, purl 3 and knit 5, purl 3 and knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, knit 5 and purl 3, 1, 2, 3, purl 3 and knit 2 together, and yarn over. This is our repeat pattern. Now we knit 1 extra stitch and 1 edge stitch. Row 3 is complete. Now we come to wrong side. We knit according to the pattern. So I will knit on the front side. So friends, row 4 is complete. Now we knit row 5 on the front side. So we slip edge stitch and we knit 1, again yarn over and knit 1 and SSK and purl 3, 1, 2, 3, purl 3 and here we knit 3. We knit 3 and again purl 3, and we knit 2 together, and we knit 1 and yarn over. This is our repeat pattern. Now our this one extra stitch and our we knit edge stitch. So row 5 is complete and row 6 we knit as it is I knitted row 5. Now I will knit row 7, slip 1 and knit 1, 2. We knit 2, sorry, we knit 1 and yarn over and we knit 2, 1, 2, knit 2 and SSK, SSK and for 3, 1, 2, 3, we purl 3 and knit 1, again purl 3, purl 3 and knit 2 together, knit 2 together and knit 2 and yarn over. This is our repeat pattern. For remaining 2 stitches we knit 2. Our row 7 is complete. Now row 8, row 8 is knit as it is. Our row 8 is complete. Now we come to row 9 and row 9 we knit this pattern here and this pattern here and here. So we start knitting. So we row slip 1 and we knit 4, 1, 2, we knit 4, 3, 4 and purl 3, 1, 2 and 3, purl 3 and knit 3, 1, 2 and 3, we knit 3, again purl 3, 1, 2, 3, purl 3, again knit 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 3 and knit 2. For last remaining 2 stitches we knit 2. This is our pattern. Our row 9 is complete. Now row 10 we knit as it is. So I have completed row 10. Now row 11 on the front side, slip 1 and we knit 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 3 and purl 3, 1, 2, 3, purl 3 and we knit these 2 stitches together. We knit these 2 stitches together and yarn over, knit 1, again yarn over, SSK. SSK and purl 3, 1, 2, 3, purl 3 and knit 2, knit 2. This is our repeat pattern, and we knit extra 2 stitch. Wrong side is knit on knit stitch and purl on purl stitch. So friends, row 12 is ready. Now we knit row 3. Row 3 we slip edge stitch and we knit 2, we knit 2 and purl 3. 1, 2, 3, purl 3, and we knit 2 together, 2 together, and knit 1, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit 1, and SSK. SSK. Now purl 3, purl 3, and knit 2, knit 1. Row 13 is complete. Now row 14 is as it is. We knit. So friends, row 14 is ready, complete. Now we come to row 15, slip 1 and knit 1 and purl 3, 1, 2, 3, purl 3 and knit 2 together. We knit 2 together and we knit 2, 1, 2. We knit 2, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit 2, knit 2 and SSK, SSK, and purl 3, knit 1 and we knit edge stitch. So row 15 is complete. Now we knit row 16, knit, we knit as it is. So friends, I have complete row 16. This is our pattern. Look, I think it is very elegant pattern. It will suitable for all knitting things. I have only one repeat here. To further knit, you repeat 1 to 16 rows to your required length. So friends, if you like my video, please subscribe and don't forget to like, share, comment and support me. Thank you to all. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.